Imagine that. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manoilovich. Today is all about imagining that. Imagine what happens when we pull two of our favorite recipes together. In this case, we're taking our oven roasted asparagus, we're combining it with our beautiful Asian dressing, and then we're doing a little fancy schmancy to turn it into something you might want to serve as a first course, or you can serve it as a wonderful side next to everything from poultry, fish, meat, and other vegetarian entrees. To begin the recipe, we're gonna take 2 bunches of asparagus. We've trimmed off the end, and then I'm taking a peeler and just kind of lightly going down the stem of the asparagus. You wanna get all of those little pointed bits away. We're gonna lay the asparagus out onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, then a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper. You can move the asparagus around in the oil, and then we're transferring it to a 400-degree oven. We're gonna let the asparagus oven roast for about 5 to 10 minutes. Don't overcook them. Since I'm at stovetop, I'm placing a skillet on top, and then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. This will be a very beautiful golden garnish a little bit later in this story. Over to our workstation, we're gonna continue and make our dressing. Really easy. Into a small bowl, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of seasoned rice wine vinegar, 4 teaspoons of granulated sugar, followed by 4 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil. We're adding 4 teaspoons of soy sauce, and then 4 cloves of garlic. Really finely minced garlic goes into the bowl. Last 2 ingredients, a tablespoon of grapeseed oil. You can also use vegetable oil, and then 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. Grab a whisk the ingredients for your dressing together, set them to the side. Next step in the recipe, we're gonna create a 2-ingredient Asian slaw. Check this out. I have a peeled carrot. I'm gonna run it carefully, safely along my mandolin. We're left with a very fine julienne of our carrot. The second ingredient for this slaw is watermelon radish. If you've never worked with them before, prepare to be amazed. We're gonna peel them. When you cut them open, you're gonna be surprised by the appearance. It is so beautiful. Flavor is fantastic. If you can't find them, just swap them out for standard red radishes. I'm cutting the radish in half and then quartering it, very thinly sliced. And again, it's all about the color. Now it's time to toss up this very colorful slaw. We have our julienne of carrot. We have our watermelon radish, 3 or 4 teaspoons of our Asian dressing. We're gonna do a little sprinkle of those toasted sesame seeds. Take a couple of forks and toss your slaw ever so gently. Right about now, that oven roasted asparagus is done. Bring it out of the oven, fingers crossed. It's still kind of crunchy. Grab a beautiful presentation plate. We're gonna start by transferring our asparagus on, and then you can grab tongs or those forks and lift the Asian slaw and just kind of cluster it towards the back of the asparagus. Very beautiful. I'm gonna finish with a drizzle of the Asian dressing, a little sprinkle of the toasted sesame seeds. If you have any green onions kicking around in the fridge, chop them up, scatter them on top, and then head to table, you're ready to enjoy. Again, you can do this as a first course or serve it next to your favorite main. 2 great recipes just came together on this one plate. Now it's up to you. All you gotta do is make it. Until next time, bon appetit. Enjoy. Should I use my fingers to do this? Crunchy and delicious. Good one.